Can't believe the good news. Fabulous news today. We are looking at 3 to 5 days of temperatures in the 40s. And I looked out this morning and the sun is just perfect. There's no wind blowing so far. As soon as I take this tape off, the wind's gonna blow. And I'd love to get the clear on that wheel today. I'm putting a high priority on getting the clear on the wheel. And we still have other projects here, Glenn's tank, among others. And the parts we've already got restored. I'm real happy about the way this is all, the whole thing has played out so well. We've been able to sequence things well. Even parts like this that were really in rough shape are just looking way better than any factory part ever did. And our Jiffy Pop popcorn has been drying under a heating vent. Wow, we are ready to go. I'm stoked. This time of year, when the weather starts to break, I get stoked. Boy, it's always this time of year that I took Karen shopping yesterday and we saw motorcycles everywhere, and it's this special time of year. Like the bears hibernating, I guess. I'm not sure about that, but anyway, we want to really carefully, I've been using the heat gun to get this off. The hair dryer, I should say. Once I have this all cleaned up, wow, that's going to look great. As you come down a home stretch on any one of these projects, it doesn't matter which one, wow, there's just a little bit of excitement in the air. I wanted to tack rig everything down carefully. From this point on, we're going to be sealing everything in clear. And the day looks like, well, it's a lot better than what we've had previously this winter. Boy, we have had some crazy days. And every part of this job, I've tried to really put my best effort in, hoping that the end result would speak for itself, and I hope it will. Now this is the 5-star clear that we've been using with really good results. Now it's a 4-to-1 mix, of course, to shake it up good, strain it just in case. Do the rock and roll thing here. The day, as the day has played out, it started out sunny, it got cloudy, it's sunny again, but it is over 40 degrees. So I don't think there'll be any reason we don't get some clear on this today. I'd like to get 2 coats if I can. And of course 20 minutes or even more, 20 minutes to a half hour apart. We'll see how that plays out. The problem with a day like today, it's so variable. But there's nothing but 40-degree temperatures in the air right now. Well, the sun went behind the clouds and it looks like it's this beautiful day is going downhill in a hurry here. But I hope we'll get, well, we just got to hope for the best. Now, unfortunately, it got really cold and cloudy and it looked like it's going to rain, but to compensate for that, I think it's even going to go below freezing. You can see the quality of this. The spray out was really nice. I got 2 full coats on there. Now, the one thing I'm afraid of, it's really getting cold here. If it drops below freezing, this is going to take forever to dry. So I'm trying to just let it kick off with a little bit of heat, just the slightest little bit. And what I'll do, I'll sit out here for half an hour or so and babysit it. But I can't bring it in the house. Miles is coming over today. So if I just do what I'm doing right now on camera, a half hour from now, this will be as good as I can make it. And that little extra heat, it just seems to just set the paint. I just want the paint to be thinking that it's 40 or 50 degrees. I think it dropped down quite a bit in the last hour or so, but every day is an adventure. Every day is different. We kind of like it that way. Every one of these wheels that I ever painted or restored, they all have a separate little adventure attached to them. And today was so surprising. Started out to be a great day. As soon as I went out to paint, it got crappy as can be. But as I say a million times, the 2 things, if you want to personalize or customize a motorcycle and still let it be a functional, comfortable vehicle without turning it into a MotoGP bike that's no fun to ride, well, first thing is the paint job, second thing is the wheels. And then the last little thing is a bunch of little detailing that you can do, like we've done to the 650. There's probably 40 or 50 little details on here that if you park it next to a stock bike, you notice, ooh, just a little bit nicer. And our beloved GS that shared the same can of paint on his wheels with a Glenn's Ducati. We got 4 wheels out of a quart of paint. That was pretty good. I've had this bike since it was new. I absolutely never get sick of riding it. It is still a comfortable, nice bike to go on a nice 200-mile ride with. And our R1, always a lot of fun to ride. It took a lot of years to make it my personal friend. Comfortable, reliable, relatively fast relative to how I ride. But the custom wheels added a really nice touch. And so we're back to the FZR. This wheel now is going to go aside for 2 to 3 days to dry. And I don't want to even think about sanding or buffing it until that paint is totally hardened up. Tomorrow morning, it's over on the other end of the garage. Tomorrow morning, I'll bring it down into the shop, let it sit under a heating vent for 3 days, 2 days, and work on some of the other projects we have in the shop. Now, I'm not sure you can really see the level of finish quality that this, I'm not sure you can see it. What I do is on a big screen TV. I have a big screen TV. I try to look at stuff, all of the YouTube stuff and on that TV. Well, basically I don't have a cell phone, so makes it an easy decision. But the quality of that finish, that is going to be a joy to put back on the bike. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy the same satisfaction I get if you paint something and you've picked up some good tips, some good information, or watch Glenn buff something out, or watch Luciano fix something, or watch me do something. The fact that we can share this on YouTube conveniently and free is a miracle. So again, I love YouTube and thanks for watching. Yeah, this is a really nice scenic spot up here.
Yeah,
obviously the Bear Mountain Bridge.
Yep. Excuse me.
Anybody not?
Excuse me.
Sure.
Can we take a picture of a baby on your bike?
Sure, absolutely.
Thank you.
In fact, I'll take a picture of him. Go ahead, put him. Just watch, that pipe is hot.
Pipe.
Just, yeah, no, he could sit on there.
He's fine.
Let me take a picture of him. How old are you?
10 months.
10 months?
Beautiful.
Oh, he's ready to ride.
Big boy.
Wow.
Hi.
Wow.
Hi.
Wow. How cool is that?
Hey, big boy.
Hey.
Sasha.
Hi.
Wow.
Hi. Hey, boy.
Wow, he's loving every minute of this.
Beautiful.
You want to get your whole family in there and
You want us to take a picture of
Sure.
you all together?
Sure, what a beautiful day. Holy mackerel. Professional photographer Glenn Hansen. Wow. World renowned.
That's awesome.
Wow. How much fun is that? Look at it, gonna jump. Lover's leap, I knew it. We can get you on YouTube.
One more?
Hey! Hey! Oh! Wow, what a day. Holy mackerel. Look at this. You could go right over the cliff here, hang gliding. What?
He's not leaving. I think you have to give it to him.
Okay, give him his license. Wow.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Someday he's going to grow up and go, I remember that idiot on that motorcycle. And that guy that took my picture, oh my goodness. What a day. Look at this scenery. This is Halloween Day 2015. Look at this scenery. And professional road race champion Enzo Hansen here.
I go from here to there and back again.
Oh, true love must be wonderful.
Did you catch this out here?
Yeah, you used to be able to go out at the bird sanctuary, right? We used to be able, I guess you can't go anymore. There's the Bear Mountain Inn down there where they have the custom car show.
What a great view.
Bear Mountain Bridge. Look at the mountains, all orange and yellow and everything. Wow.
Wow, really, some of the trees are really popping.
Wow, yeah, there's some. You know, when we were riding by West Point today, did you see how orange? It was like in a tunnel of orange. Oh my God, it was beautiful. We're gonna find out if you could still go out to that bird sanctuary. You can see it from the other side,
right.
From 9 down. I know you can look through the
yeah,
that looking glass thing. Anyway, if it's Halloween Day, we're dressed up like Ferraris. Oh my God, it's time to go home and we're gonna go take care of the kids.
the only difference is we're not taking these costumes off.
We're in full costume today.